Peace and blessings, fam. Today I want to talk to you about a stylish solution that could be a total game changer for those with thin hair and who are experiencing hair loss. As you can see, my client here, I've already started her hair. I did her braid pattern and I added a crochet cap as well as my custom made closure. Yes, I used my custom made closure because this is going to give her the most natural look in the front. I want it to look as natural as possible and to look like her natural scalp. This is the hair we are using. It's some crochet passion twist. The color is 1B gray ombre. Yes, and it is 12 inches long. I've already installed some of the crochets, as you can see here. I'm only crocheting mainly on the net and not her hair. Because again, as always, I want to put as less weight, tension, and pulling on her hair as possible. And I just want you to know that crochet braids can be an excellent solution to hair loss and to thin hair. And look at this beautiful style. Look how this came out. It looks so beautiful, so natural. Please subscribe.